This video from Sharp Help, we're going to quickly run through how to correct mistakes made during sales transactions on the XEA303 register. This process will work the same on the 406 and 40S models, and these are to do with mistakes made before a sales transaction has been completed. So the easiest mistake to correct is wrong amount entered. So if you type in £10 for example and you meant to type in £1, as long as you haven't assigned that value, that money, to a department, you can simply press the CL button here and that will take the display back to 0. You can then enter the correct amount and assign it to one of your sales categories or departments. This is now the next level of mistake to correct. So if you've put the amount of money into the wrong department, so £1 into grocery, you've then got a void button over here, and that will remove that line of the transaction, enabling you to carry on and enter in the amounts correctly. The final type of mistake you can correct is if you've made lots of errors. Say for example this sale has got 3 or 4 errors in it and you're thinking the best thing to do is to just cancel the transaction before taking any money, and the way to do that on the Sharps is a subtotal void. So you press subtotal, then hit the void button over here and then subtotal, and that effectively cancels the transaction. So you see on the display you've got a total of 0 and exactly the same on the customer receipts, so you can now enter the sale correctly. If you've made a mistake and it's after the transaction's been completed, so you're looking to void a completed finalized transaction, there'll be a video link appearing on screen now showing you how to do that, so you're welcome to check that out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sharphelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.